Hi everyone. So today lecture is about the normal curve distribution, and it's like in the last video we discussed variance and standard deviation and z-value, which used in statistic and maths. But now we gonna compare this and to calculate our uh, uh, probability of completing our project within certain days or time, whichever location you want to pick under the curve. So you can calculate and draw the completing of the project, the probability. So here is the this is continuation of project management series, and our project earliest finish is 60 days, which is the expected duration we calculated in the last video, and project latest finish is 70 days, latest completion date. So here in the last video I calculate the standard deviation and the variance for the each pipe activities. If you remember the last video, the last lecture, so where we have the expected duration from the 5 activities which are on the critical path of the project, which usually make the longest uh, path in the project, and that's where is the completion of the project. So I already told you that if you want to accelerate the project, so you have to accelerate activities on the critical path, which usually in every project the longest route. So this is our earliest finish 60 days, which is our mean, and then our standard deviation was 2.57 something, but I took 3. So you see this one from here, let's say from this is the mean expected duration, earliest finish 60 days. So when you go from here to here on the right side, one standard deviation plus 3, so it's 63, then plus 3 it's 66, then plus 3 69. So it's usually 3 standard deviation from the right side. Here is which is usually very important in while understanding this. You know what, so it's sometime confusing, it's here is 0, but let me first explain this one. So from 60 minus 3 is 57, so that's the negative standard deviation, and then from 57 minus 3 is 54, that's the standard deviation, and the third one is 51 minus 3. So it usually starts the normal distribution from 51 days all the way to 69 days. So it's like an example. You can play around in another way also with this. So this is like it's most of the area. The area is 68% of the project area is between 57 days and 63 days. It means that the 70% project, like there is a 70% chances, 68% chances that the project will be completed between 57 and 63 days. That's like a chance and probability. So if you like, let's say this is 54 and this is 66, which like yeah, from here to here, so this is 95%. So there is a 95% of chances that the project will be completed between 54 and 66 days, between the probability. And the same way you can like this is 51, the last standard deviation, and the par most is 69. So there is a 98 or 99% chances that the project will be completed between 51 days and 69 days. So this is how we represent the normal curve distribution. So there is a 0.5% or 50% chances that the project will finish before 60 days. So this is the point 60. So the whole curve is 1. Is equal to 1. So 0.5 is this side. So there is a 0.5% chances or 50% chances that the project will be completed before 60 days. It's little bit, probability is little bit like, you have to understand about this. And from here to here is also 0.5 or 50%. So this is 60 days earliest finish. So there is a from this side also 0.5%. 0.5. So there is a 0.5% or 50% chances that the project will be completed after 60 days. There is a 0.5 or 50% chances that the project will be completed after 60 days. And then there is a 95% chances that the project will be completed between 54 and 66 days. You know what this is? Between this and this is 68%. Between two standard deviation. This is our total expected time, 60 days, earliest finish. Our latest finish is 70 days. In the next video, I will explain how to calculate the z-value, this area. So this is between one standard deviation from the mean, either side, this area is 68%. And between two standard deviation from right, and two standard deviation from left of the mean, this total area is 95%. So that's why we are saying that there is a 95% chances that the project will be completed between 54 and 66 days. Yeah, it's nice work, man. It's good for the representation. And then from the mean, the three standard deviation, this one up to 51 on the left side, and from the mean toward right, three standard deviation right side. The whole of this area is 98 or 97.7 or 99%. So there is a 99% of chances that between 51 and 69 days, not exactly, is a chance. And here is when you divide 68 by 2, so 3 4, so there is a 34% or 0.3%, 34% chances that the project will be completed between 57 days and 60 days. Similarly, between 60 and 63. So it's kind of probability. Yeah. So I hope you got the idea, and very nice day, and thank you guys. Bye.